This is a handheld bubble machine. It takes 3 AAA batteries, a little bit of bubble liquid, and you have bubbles. But this bubble machine could be transformed into something else, a smoke machine, because the bubble machine already has all the crucial parts to make a smoke machine. Now the first step is I have to unscrew all the screws to expose the inside of the bubble machine. Now the bubble machine actually has a water pump, and this water pump is going to be very crucial to this project. Now I'm going to expose the output pipe to the water pump, and then I'm going to take this copper pipe and then I'm going to wrap it around this 12-volt soldering iron that runs on DC voltage. Now what's going to happen is when I connect the battery to the soldering iron is going to start to heat up, and then it's going to heat up the pipe, and then the water pump is going to suck smoke liquid, and then it's going to deliver it to the copper pipe. The copper pipe is going to be heated up, and then it will deliver smoke, hopefully. Alright, so the first step is I have to cut the output pipe to the water pump, connect the output pipe to the copper pipe coil on the soldering iron, and that's that. And then all I have to do is just do the finishing touches and then put the bubble machine back together. So this new modified bubble machine is going to suck smoke liquid. The smoke liquid is going to go through the water pump, and then the output to the water pump is going to go to the copper pipe coil on the soldering iron, and then the soldering iron is going to heat up the coil, and then you have smoke. So the problem I have right now is the heat is dissipating too fast. What I mean by that is the copper pipe coil that's on the soldering iron is cooling down the soldering iron, which means I can only use the smoke machine for short periods of time, and then I have to wait for the soldering iron to reheat up. The ways I could solve this problem is I could shorten the copper pipe so that it has less chances to cool down, and then I'll be able to use it for a little bit longer. Or I could connect a very powerful soldering iron, a soldering iron that's so powerful that a little bit of cooling is not going to cool it down completely. So those are the only ways I could think of to solve this problem. This is the new version of the smoke machine. What I did now is I shortened the pipe because I thought it was heating up, but then the pipe was too long, so then it was cooling down. But as you can see, now that I have shortened the pipe, it's working more efficiently. So once I press this button right here, it should output a bit of smoke. Oh, look at that. All right, we'll try one more time. Boom, one more. Look at that. It's working. It's finally working. We'll do it like this now. Okay, press the button. Boom. Boom, look at that. So it's working. With a soldering iron and a bubble machine, you got yourself a smoke machine. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Please consider watching previous videos if possible. See you next time.